Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef. So, I did some Marcotting, I think that's the way you say it, or air grafting, and I just cut this branch from my avocado tree. You can see how many roots are in the bag. So, I'm going to open it up to see if the, hopefully, the roots just don't all fall off, which it doesn't appear they're going to do. I want to count this a successful graft. Look at that. Full of roots. So I'm going to go find this guy home, and hopefully it'll be a big avocado tree like that one, which I grew from seed. Thanks a lot. Shane, your Nappy Chef. Oh, by the way, I will try to make these videos a little bit longer, since that's what you guys want. Leave your comments, like and subscribe, share the video. Okay, all right, so come here. So what we're gonna do is take these old, these are grunts, fish heads, right? And we're gonna put that in the bottom of our bucket. And this is the air graft I just did. Stick that in the bottom. You know what? This is a lot of. I don't know if that's gonna stay. So, you know what? Let's reverse that. Let's reverse it. Do that. All right. So we're gonna put our fish heads in there. Right, give it some nutrients. We're going to stick our air graft right in the midst of it. We'll have lots of nutrients. I'm just going to fill this up. All right, that's it. I'll fill it up to the top, and we'll see if this little sapling survives. Thanks a lot. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef.